Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Art at the OSU Museum of Art. My name is Allie. I am a summer intern and a museum associate at the OSU Museum of Art. Today's activity is actually based on my friend Sam's staff pick, which you saw on Monday, called Isis Nursing Horace. Did you know this statue was made from a mold? A mold is a hollowed out shape filled with liquid, and after the liquid hardens, it takes the mold shape. In today's activity, we'll be making our own handprint molds out of salt dough. Let's get started. So materials you will need are a bowl for mixing, a bowl for cutting out your shape, a cookie sheet, a rolling pin, and a spoon. To make your salt dough handprint, you will need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of salt, and a half cup of water. First, mix the salt and flour in a large mixing bowl. Then, make a well in the salt and flour mixture and add the water. Knead until smooth and shape it into a ball. Next, roll your dough on a greased baking sheet. Use your smaller bowl to create a circular shape. Now press your hand into your dough to make your handprint. I use the end of a chopstick to create my numbers, but you can also use the end of a straw or a paintbrush. After you finish your designs, you can then let your salt dough handprint air dry, or with parental supervision, bake them at 225 degrees for about 2 hours. But remember, when using the oven, always ask a parent for help. Once your mold is done cooling, you can personalize it however you want. I decided to paint mine. And here's my finished design. There's so many ways to design your own mold to fit your personal style. You can even make molds with your pets. Thanks for joining me in today's daily art activity. If you made your own mold, make sure to share it with us at OSU Museum of Art. We'll see you next time.